Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I wanted to go over your integer word problems that you're going to be completing today during class. So you're going to get a slide presentation that you're going to be able to type in, and there's going to be 20 word problems on there. Now, all of these have to do with adding and subtracting integers, and they're all going to be whole numbers. So yeah, show your practice fractions and decimals, but on your test on Friday, because you do have a test on Friday, you will not have fractions and decimals on there. But if you did not complete that Ed puzzle of me teaching, I can see who has actually watched it, who watched half of it, and who hasn't even clicked on it. Make sure you watch that because you are going to be given fractions and decimals all throughout the year, and you're going to need to know how to add and subtract those. So just keep that in mind that I can tell who did and who did not, and I'll probably be sending you a message today if you did not. On these, I will post the answer key to those today as well, but as you go through these, you'll be deciding, okay, do I need to add these? Do I need to subtract these? You sing your song, same signs keep and add, different signs subtract. So like I said, you have 20 total questions. I want to see your work on these, even if it's just you writing out 5 plus -2 equals 3. So you don't have to post it every single slide. At the very end, you can add a slide and then insert your work onto that because I do want to see your answers. I will post the answer key at the end of the day for you to check your work. Tomorrow we're going to play a review game, and then which we're going to do a gym kit. So you should be able to do it with us during class. And then Friday is your adding and subtracting integers test. So you need to make sure you understand how to do all these rules, how to make sure they're negative and positive. Go rewatch videos from the past if you need to help you prepare for this. So I will be on GoGuardian the whole time, chatting with you, helping you out as you need. If you don't remember how, because I have had a few people ask me, how do you insert the picture again? So remember, you go to Insert, Image, and then Camera. And when you click on Camera, then it will let you take a picture from your screen. So you just hold up your paper to the screen. Also, do not forget that by Friday afternoon, IXL C4, C9, and C12 are all due by Friday afternoon. Those are 3 grades. So not only will you have a test on Friday, all 3 of those IXLs will go in the grade book as well as classwork grades. You have 3 classwork grades and a test grade. Those IXLs are to prepare you for your test. Do not miss those. Those are not supposed to be zeros. They're supposed to be, you do those until you're done. You do those until you're happy with your grade. Okay, that SMART score will be your grade, so you know what you're going to get in the grade book. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to message me on GoGuardian, email me. We'll set up a video chat if you need to. And I hope you have a great Wednesday.